Welcome. In this video, we're exploring the basics of sets in Python, how to use them, and why they matter. Imagine a snack basket. You can add your favorite snacks, but if you add the same one again, it doesn't stay. Watch. You added the chocolate, the soda, and the chips. Now you want to add a second chocolate. Notice how the second chocolate is no longer in the basket? That's how a set works. No duplicates allowed. This is the final version of the basket: chocolate, soda, and chips. Here's how you create a set in Python. Just use curly brackets and you're good to go. It's your normal list but with curly brackets. Even if you try to include duplicates, Python filters them out automatically. Notice how the duplicates 2 and 4 are no longer in the output. Sets are unordered, so don't expect the items to come out in the same order every time. Don't worry, it's not an error. If you want to add an item to the set, just use the full stop add bracket method, just like seen on the screen. Remove bracket deletes an item, but will give an error if it's not found. Discard bracket is safer. No errors, even if the item doesn't exist. Give it a try. Play around with sets and see the difference from lists and tuples for yourself. Thank you.